Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add text in Blender. So let's get started. Press Shift A and then select text. As you can see, your text will appear. In order to edit the text, go to Edit Mode, and now you'll be able to type in whatever you want. In my case, I'll type this. Once you're done, just change back to Object Mode. If you want to edit the text a bit more, you can go to this tab right here. And here you can select and edit a ton of stuff, like the alignment, character separation, word spacing, and if you want to make, since this is flat, if you want to make it more 3D-like, you can go to geometry. You can increase the depth of the bevel. As you can see, it will have the bevel shape. But if you just want to extrude it, just go here to extrude. As you can see, it will have no bevel and it will extrude it for you. So you don't have to do it manually. And that's it. That's how you add text in Blender. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you wanna get notified for more tutorials. Bye bye.